Guys, it happened. Ripple actually won the case against the SEC and soared 70% in a matter of hours. This is not just a victory for one company, but a victory for the entire crypto market and a huge event for altcoin holders. In this video, I'll break down Bitboy's comments on the situation around XRP and add why it's a big trap. And at the end, I'll talk about how Ripple will affect Cardano. Let's find out. Once again, I would like to congratulate Ripple Labs and the XRP token holders on a massive victory, not just over the SEC, but over the injustice and oppression of altcoins. XRP is now the first regulated cryptocurrency with simply insane growth potential. In this video, I'll break down what happened and what to expect from the price of XRP. And at the end, we'll look at why Ripple's victory will affect Cardano and Ethereum even more than you think. There's euphoria in the market. All altcoins are growing, and it's not hard to be happy. But let's put emotions aside. There will be time to celebrate. Now is the time to understand what has happened and how to maximize this opportunity to make money in the crypto market. To begin with, in December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple for selling $1.3 billion worth of XRP tokens as an unregistered token offering. At the time, the XRP exchange rate dropped by 50% to 25 cents, followed by the 3.5 years of litigation in which Ripple Labs hired the best lawyers and spent a total of about $250 million. On July 13, Judge Torres ruled in favor of Ripple Labs by almost 99%. The judge ruled that the XRP tokens sold on the IEO through the Bitstamp exchange were not securities. However, not all is as sweet as one would hope. The SEC also scored a victory of its own, as federal judge ruled that XRP is a security when sold to institutional investors, as it meets the conditions of the Howey test. But how can XRP be both a security and not a security? You see, the court has ruled that XRP is not a security, but it is the way the coins are sold that may result in some penalties. Most likely, Ripple will pay a fine for selling the tokens to institutional investors, and that will be the end of the story with the SEC. In fact, the judge found a compromise between Ripple and the SEC. The former gets a regulated crypto asset, and the latter gets a small piece of victory. In his video, Bitboy said something very important. Imagine that in the Bible, there is a time before Christmas and after Christmas. So now we are entering a completely new era for the crypto market and specifically for altcoins. And for Ripple, this is the gateway to the legitimate realization of all their plans. Just 3 hours after beating Coinbase in court, Gemini and Kraken have added XRP back to trading. And this is just the beginning, folks. This is a massive victory for the entire crypto market. So let's salute Ripple for their efforts and resilience. To do so, click the thumbs up below this video. Let it not just be a simple one like today, but a sign of respect to all those fighting for the rights of our altcoins. I am waiting for at least 300 likes from you. And in the next part of the video, we're going to analyze whether XRP is worth buying and what the outlook is for the future. 2 months ago, I made a video dissecting XRP where I mentioned that I expected a ruling in June-July. You can check it out for yourself. I also talked about Ripple's future in the global payment system and why XRP could be worth $100 or even $1,000. Now I'm going to quickly remind you of everything in case you don't know. Ripple has over 100 major banks, including central banks, as partners, but a lawsuit with the SEC has prevented the company from operating legally and to its full potential. Now, XRP is not a security, which means big banks can buy the asset and use XRP tokens to transfer liquidity starting today. Ripple Labs already has a ready-made platform to launch the central bank digital currency, providing a comprehensive platform for minting, managing, transacting, and destroying CBDCs and stablecoins. So the project is more than fundamental, and yesterday's pump is not even the beginning of the growth. And while we're on the subject of charts, let's analyze them in more detail. In the same video, I said that XRP was in a long accumulation phase and that the exit was very sharp and fast. That's what happened. But what happened next? On the daily chart, the price broke out of the ascending channel and surged. Now we could see a pullback to the 60 to 70 cents area, a retest of the upper boundary of the channel, and then further growth above $1 to $1.5. In fact, it's not difficult to pump XRP. A lot of people look at the capitalization and say, wait, XRP is worth $40 billion. How can it grow 2 times more? It's impossible. Well, here's a very simple, practical example of why it is possible. Go to the most liquid exchange, Binance, open the XRP USDT trading pair, and see how many XRP sell orders are in the stack. With $46 million in hand, it is possible to drive the price of XRP up to $3.5 in one click. Just $46 million in the capitalization of XRP will be $180 billion. So the huge capitalization of XRP is just a visual trap for bears who are afraid to buy a fundamental asset. What values should we expect for XRP globally? I expect a target of $1.4 this summer, and then $3 by early to mid next year if there is a bull market. Beyond that, XRP could be worth $7 or even $10 given the fundamentals of the company and the demand for tokens that is definitely there. Remember though, I am not giving financial advice. All decisions are up to you. Next, I'm going to tell you why Ripple's victory is much more important for Cardano and Ethereum than we think. Be sure to watch till the end. After the XRP token soared 50%, other altcoins followed suit, including Cardano, Solana, and Ethereum. Why did these particular altcoins start to rise? The fact is that these are the assets that the SEC defined as securities in a recent lawsuit against Coinbase and Binance. And since XRP is not a security, ADA, SOL, ETH, and other altcoins are not securities either. That's why investors stopped fearing the SEC court and ran to buy undervalued altcoins. By the way, just a few days before this event, I made a video analyzing why Cardano was the best place to buy at the time. Since then, the price has gone up 20% and it looks like there's no limit. As expected, ADA broke through the triangle and soared to 34 cents. It's too early to talk about the altcoin season, but the market has made it clear to us that altcoin growth is going to be fast, sharp, and unprecedented. What happened yesterday is just a trailer for the future bull market. Euphoria and FOMO. Stick to your trading plan, accumulate fundamental assets, and you will definitely get rich from crypto. Friends, if you liked the video, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Your Coin Post.